My name is Nancy Brecky Jones, and my company is Replace a Lace. And Replace a Lace is a set of easy close touch fastening straps that someone can use to replace the laces in their shoes. The straps are adjustable, they perform a secure closure, and they allow the shoe to open wide for easy on and off for the customer. It allows the shoe to open wide, which some of the other products out there don't, and it is adjustable, so customers can adjust the straps with just an easy open and close, and some of the other products out there don't allow you to do that, and it rests flush against the foot. I know while I was developing Replace a Lace, I really entered the market slowly to really allow myself to listen to customers along the way and really get their feedback on what they were looking for and what was easier for them to use. And so that really allowed me to create the best possible product in the end by really listening to the customer feedback along the way of developing Replace a Lace.